You ever see a car that just screams, "I'm the future and I know it"? Well, buckle up, because the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC EV AMG Line isn't just an SUV. It's a full-on electric statement. This thing's got the looks, the muscle, and the brains to make even Tesla fanboys take a second glance. Yeah, it's that serious. Mercedes took their best-selling luxury SUV, the GLC, and gave it a full electric makeover that's smoother, faster, and smarter than ever. Built on their all-new MB.EA platform, the GLC EV isn't playing around. It's packing an 800-volt architecture, which means lightning-fast charging, mind-blowing efficiency, and performance that'll pin you to your seat. Let's talk design. From the jump, the 2026 GLC EV AMG Line looks slick. Clean body lines, an aerodynamic silhouette, and that signature AMG attitude that gives it a powerful stance. The front end? Sharp LED digital lights that almost look alive, and the closed-off grille with that massive three-pointed star. It's basically saying, yeah, I'm electric, and I'm better for it. The AMG Line body kit adds bolder bumpers, sportier air intakes, and 21-inch alloy wheels that just pop. Every curve, every angle screams confidence. You'll see it glide down the highway and instantly know that's no regular Mercedes. Step inside, and it's like walking into the future of luxury. The GLC EV's cabin feels like a high-tech lounge. Rich Nappa leather seats, ambient lighting that dances with your mood, and that insane 39-inch Hyperscreen stretching across the dash. It's immersive, intuitive, and, let's be honest, kinda addictive. You get those AMG sport seats that hug you just right, brushed aluminum accents, and a driving position that feels like command central. Mercedes even added soundscapes, synthetic driving sounds that make the car feel alive. In AMG mode, you get roaring pulse, a futuristic hum that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now don't let the quiet fool you. Underneath, the GLC EV AMG Line is all about performance. Dual motors crank out over 500 horsepower and nearly 600 pound-feet of torque. Hit the accelerator, and you'll feel instant torque. Hit. No lag, no delay, just pure electric thrust. The 94.5 kilowatt-hour battery gives you around 400 miles of range on a single charge. Need juice fast? Plug it into a 320 kilowatt charger and go from 10 to 80% in under 25 minutes. That's quicker than your morning coffee run. This SUV is dripping with tech. From advanced driver assists to smart navigation that plans your route around charging stops. It's like having your own road trip manager. The MB.EA system, that's Mercedes' AI assistant, understands natural speech. Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and it'll handle your climate, music, or even open the sunroof. The GLC EV also gives you a ton of practicality. A front trunk for your gym bag, a roomy 570-liter cargo area, and towing power up to 2,400 kilograms. It's got brains, brawn, and space to spare. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC EV AMG Line isn't just an electric SUV. It's Mercedes showing off what happens when luxury meets lightning. It's smooth, it's sexy, and it's smart as hell. Whether you're rolling through LA, cruising the streets of London, or hitting Canadian highways, this ride is built to turn heads and leave silence in its wake. So yeah, you could say it's the electric GLC we've all been waiting for. The only problem? Once you drive it, there's no going back. If you love futuristic rides like this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping car reveals coming your way.